Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Father Nzimbi attempts to bring Vika back is unsuccessful. Father Nzimbi wants Vika to go back on Kwamashu to continue with the game of heist, but he got disappointed when he got Vika that is planning and getting the tender of security. He her security, he will protect the municipality. And the father of Vega, he all message or conservation of Vega and Father Nzimbi. While Mr. Twala Meda continues to hunt the Mhlongos as they face tolerance, the police comes to Kwanjomane to arrest Nkunzi for being suspicious on the murder case. While Nonka is chest falling for not getting the warm welcome she anticipates from the harbor. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.